Hola amigos, we are going to Australia tomorrow and I want to pack my little tiny art kit that I am taking with me. We are going to Melbourne. My brother lives in Melbourne, so we are going to celebrate his birthday and my birthday. We are only going for 2 weeks, so I think we are not going to have enough time to do many little drawings. So I am only taking the essentials with me in this little tiny bag. I love you! What I have in my mind is that we are going to walk a lot, we are going to spend a lot of time on the train, and when it's raining, that is going to be, we just go to the museum or to a library or to a cafe and make some little drawings. We also have a few friends there that we are going to see, so I really don't think we are going to have a lot of time to sit down and paint and draw. So my thinking here is to be as minimal and practical as I can. I always try to minimize the friction between me and my art supplies. I really want to keep this simple and smooth. But you know how this is. I always want to pack my just-in-case items for my peace of mind, but not today. Now I just want to bring only my essentials. I think that the restriction makes everything more fun. Like the process of figuring something out makes me excited. So I challenge myself to put everything inside this little bag, this little pencil case. This is all I'm bringing. First, my sketchbook. I made some drawings here to try my supplies and see if I need something else, and I think I will be good. I made this one with arches, arcs, I have no idea how to pronounce that. I say arches, hot press, paper, 185 GSM. Then I have my little palette and I will put here the colors I use. I also made a chart with the colors and I feel very comfortable with all the mixes. I mean, look at this. I love this one. I love this one. I love this, all these granulated. Look at this. I am so happy with these colors. Very happy. Okay, then I have my water brush. Oh, I am new using the water brush, so I did a couple of tests first to see if I am okay with it, and here are my thoughts. My travel diaries are not about, this is what I said to myself, okay? My travel diaries are not about my watercolor skills, are more about the stories of the trip, like this one of China. Like I have all these drawings and the watercolors are just to color my drawings, not about the watercolors. Okay? We are good with that. This is my pep talk. Okay. For my watercolors, I use Arches cold press, that is the one with the texture. Like this one here, and I don't enjoy doing drawings on this paper because it has lots of texture, but I prefer this one for the watercolors, so that's why I'm saying all of this. So this one, cold press, 300 GSM, very happy for watercolors but not for drawing. And this one, I prefer the other one for the watercolors, but this one doesn't have that much texture. I enjoy drawing on this one, and the watercolors are also okay. not as happy as the other one, but I'm happy with this one. Okay. So here, what I think is I want to prioritize the drawing over the watercolors. That is what I want. So I think I will be okay painting with this water brush, but only time will tell. So as a backup, this is my one and only just in case item. I have this travel brush that I love. It's very versatile and I can make a little bit bigger washes with this than with this that I am not used to. So this is my one and only just in case item. And then I just have my red pen that I always use for the sketches, the normal pen and eraser, and this in case I want to clip. Let's say I'm painting here, so in case I want to clip the palette in my sketchbook. So that's it. This is the only thing I'm bringing and my sketchbook, and wish me luck. I will be posting on the Instagram stories if you want to follow the trip. And that's it for today, I think. So see you in the next one. Ciao.